So then what we're going to put up is this. This is a wireless base. This is the Aico E168RC. Basically it's a radio link base. Get it open. It comes with screws and a bit of cardboard. So we'll take this little bit off, because this is where the terminations will go into, which is your live interconnect. This is if you've got it wired to interconnect, and neutral, because you can also use them with other bases that are interconnect, so they'll do it that way. And then we want to get this up there, and what I'm going to do is mark it for 2 holes. Let's hang that off there, and these 2 holes, they're into the plasterboard, so we're going to need to fix them up. But the screws for the pigtails don't fit. And then fix it up. You can see straight through there. Is that right? We just want to get the live neutral and earth. There, because we've only got 1 cable going into it, we will double them over to get that little bit better connection. There we go. Make sure that's nice and neat. And connect her up. And that is all you want. Just your live and neutral and earth into there. And then put this clap back over. There we go. So then once again, we have our radio link base. Screws, the little instructions. Take this off. It says got stuck back on, right, and then get it up to where it wants to be. Get rid of that. So then we'll be in this one. Just here. And then fix the radio link base straight up. Get the screws in there. Like so. And then basically live neutral earth into the smoke detector. So then firstly we want to check to make sure that we've got a live and a neutral. Obviously the live and neutral is on to the light. Oh, that way. And the switch light there. So live and neutral in there. And take this little bit off that covers the terminals up. And you've got a live and neutral, and you've got an earth as well. And then just to confirm would be a good idea, switch the light to make sure that you haven't made the mistake of connecting onto the switch live. So basically we've got a live and neutral in there. And then to put the smoke alarm on. And they just locate on there. Lovely. And as you can see, the light's on. That works. But then this is looking for a radio link. So we're not going to get that until we put the other one on. So if we go up the stairs to the other one. Oh sugar, we need a little tester. So let's get our tester to make sure we've got a live neutral and earth. Once again on this one, remember to put this back on. I forget sometimes. Right, so then we'll put this on there and then put it off center and it locates straight on. And again, the green light's on, and then once you sound the alarm, it should be looking for the other radio link. And the one downstairs goes off as well. So basically they're interconnected. So if this one goes off, which easily to test, you just press that button. And you see the radio link going. That's also sending a signal to the one downstairs to say there's a fire. So that'll go off as well. It will sound the whole house. They're interlinked smoke alarms. So basically anyone in the house can hear that smoke alarm and get out.